Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod na si Ronipe. Para sa mga sumusubaybay sa channel na to, marami pong salamat and I'd just like to make a quick announcement. So, titigil na po ako sa paggawa ng camera and video production-centric content sa channel na to. So, it's been a few years since I started running this channel. Initially, I set this up so I could learn how to do video production na nagsa-self-study. But now I think I've made some progress where I'm at the stage na hindi na ako super beginner sa production. I want to do things with more focus and clearer intentions now. I'm still very fond of cameras, as my close friends and some of you na sumubaybay sa akin already know. In fact, I am so fond of that topic kaya gumawa ako ng second channel na focus sa cameras and video production content. So it's called Nomadic Filmmaker. For now, the name Nomadic Filmmaker is aspirational. Alam ko wala pa ako dun sa level na yun talaga, but it's something that I would like to achieve, so i-claim ko na manifest. So if you watch this channel for camera and production content, please follow Nomadic Filmmaker because yung ganong tipo ng content will be uploaded to that channel starting from now. So ano nang mangyayari sa channel na to? At least for 2022, I'm planning to transform this into a space kung saan makakapagbahagi ako ng mga experiences about, yung food, travel, and life in general. Kind of similar to some of the videos I've been doing in the past, but now with clearer intentions and focus. So Ronipe, life and experiences in general, like your virtual tropa or something. And Nomadic Filmmaker, camera and filmmaking for travel content or video production tips and tricks, which I share with you as I learn them. So will this be a permanent change? I honestly don't know what the future holds, but at least for 2022, I want to try this out if this is going to work better than what I've been doing in the past. And ayun, thumbs up naman dyan at mag-subscribe na kayo sa akin or kay Nomadic Filmmaker, or why not both if you're interested in both topic domains. And ayun lang, that's it for me. Hanggang sumuli, paalam!